Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your left and right earbuds are different. Firstly, we need to check for updates, so open Vivo Earphones application and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app and then you will see them at the device list. You tap on them, scroll down and at the bottom we have firmware upgrade. Tap at this line, you check for updates, it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, you will see a button download and install and tap at this button. Now if it didn't help you or you haven't new updates like me, next step is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put both of your earbuds to the charging case and then press and hold both of the touch areas until the LED lights start blinking orange. Also, I recommend that before you press and hold, close the charging case and open it, and then press and hold. Because without it, sometimes it happens that you don't want to perform a factory reset. And also, if after 5 seconds this LED light not blinking white, it means that you doing something bad. Okay, now we have orange blinking, so now we need to reconnect these earbuds with your phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth for connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget and forget. Now click pair new device if you have Android and tap at your earbuds at the device list. Then click pair. Now, if it also didn't help you, I recommend it to fully charge your earbuds. So put it to the charging case, then fully charge, and then check if the battery level are the same. Amazing. If it doesn't, maybe you need to contact customer service. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.